Hello everyone, I'm Shyam, the Truth of India. Great news for high-end smartphone lovers. Samsung has launched its latest high-end smartphone, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, along with Galaxy Z Flip 6, powered by Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor and world market in an unpacked event. Starting price of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is $1,099, which is equivalent to 1,58,600 in Indian market, and other models are $2,019 and $2,259 for 512 GB model and 1 TB model, while Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is available starting price at $1,099, which is equivalent to 91,800 in Indian currency for 12 GB plus 256 GB, while 512 GB storage will cost $1,219, equivalent to 1,01,800 in Indian market. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be available in three color options: navy, pink, and silver shadow, while Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be available in six color options. From July 24, online retailer Amazon and Samsung official site, the pre-order is open now. So don't wait. Book your dream gadget, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's check out the specification of this device. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes with dual SIM option and runs on Android 14 OS and Snapdragon 8 generation processor paired with 12 GB RAM. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes with 6.3-inch HD dynamic AMOLED 2X display on inside spot 7.6-inch QXGA AMOLED display to take your photography experience to next level. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes with triple rear camera, which offers you the DSLR-like picture quality, 50 megapixel wide-angle OIS camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and 10 megapixel telephoto camera. Galaxy Z Fold 6 also comes with 12 selfie camera, 10 megapixel selfie camera on the cover display, and 4 megapixel camera located under the inner screen. It comes with a maximum storage of 1 TB and powered by 4400 mAh battery, 25 watt wired charger, and 2.0 wireless charger. And this dream gadget is IP48 rating, dust water resistance, and side mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a dream gadget packed with next generation features. What do you think? Let's talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 sibling Galaxy Z Flip 6, which also runs on the latest Android 15 OS with one UI on the top and powered by the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. It comes with 3.4-inch Super AMOLED screen and inside 6.7-inch Full HD dynamic AMOLED flex display to revolutionize your photography experience. Galaxy Z Flip 6 equipped with 12 rear camera, 50 megapixel wide angle dual pixel OIS camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. It also comes with 10 megapixel selfie camera and powered by 4000 mAh battery and side mounted fingerprint scanner. IP48 rating with dust and water resistance and weight is only 187 gram. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 both are the replica of your dream gadgets. Don't wait. Go for Samsung Galaxy